Welcome to Quirky Canary 2Bed. You can easily book your stay now by scanning the QR code appearing on screen or by checking the description below for a direct link. This unique 4-star hotel in the heart of London is a delightful retreat, perfect for travelers looking for something a bit different. Quirky Canary 2Bed offers a blend of contemporary design and playful decor, creating a welcoming atmosphere. You'll find modern amenities, including a smart TV and a selection of games to enjoy after a day of exploring the city. One of the best features is the free parking, a real bonus in London. Check-in is available from 3 p.m., allowing you to settle in comfortably. Checkout is at 11 a.m., giving you a relaxed morning before you depart. Please remember that children cannot stay free of charge and extra fees may apply for younger guests. We have a fantastic games room that's designed to bring people together, offering a variety of games for all ages. So, if you are looking for a hotel that offers value, convenience, and a memorable experience, Quirky Canary 2Bed is a great choice. Don't forget, for a hassle-free booking, scan the QR code now or use the link in the description.